Nature Park. At the Bulgarian side of the Danube, wetlands stretch between river and sky. Here, citizens, educators, and nature lovers join forces to protect this fragile beauty. Our mission: to raise awareness, inspire curiosity, and connect people with nature through citizen science. During the Persina Edu Summer Camp 2025, 19 children aged 7 to 12 from 3 schools across 2 municipalities were guided by our lecturers in exploring wetland habitats and learning about biodiversity. They became young citizen scientists, observing, identifying, and recording the wildlife around them. A total of 104 biodiversity observations were collected, including 46 plant and 58 bird species. Local volunteers joined our cleanup action along the Danube River. Together, we restored the beauty of the wetlands and strengthened our community spirit. The IMPETUS Accelerator supported us to grow stronger and reach further. We improved our citizen science practices, learned from European peers, and discovered new ways to engage the public. Our next step is to share our experience across the Danube through the DANUBEPARKS network. Together, protected areas from 9 countries can bring more people into citizen science. Wetlands are more than water. They are living systems that clean, protect, and sustain life. Together, we can protect our wetlands. Join us.